I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this 90s soft glam look. Let's get into it. I'm starting off the look with this Wet n Wild spray primer. I love this because it's super convenient and very hydrating. Next, I'm going in with this e.l.f. Soft Glam Concealer. I like to use this under my eyes and kind of around my eyebrows so I can get a nice glowy look and cover up any darkness that I may have. I've been liking this formula a lot. This is a product that I recently purchased and I have really been liking it. After I've blended all of my concealer in and stippled around my under eyes, I went in with Wet n Wild Tinted Hydrator. I like this stuff because it gives me a dewy glow. I'm using Wet n Wild Blush. This is a very pretty formula. It has a little bit of a glow to it, so you don't even need to use highlighter. I'm finishing everything off with CoverGirl Clean Fresh powder. Then I'm going in my brow area with a very light brown pencil, just trying to fill in any of the areas that I may have sparseness in, and following it up with a brush. After that, I like to just clean the area up with a little bit of powder on the top and the bottom. I'm using this NYX palette in this beautiful shimmery light blue color for a frosted eyeshadow effect. And then I went through with two 10mm lashes from Amazon. I like to use clusters on the outer corners of my eyes just to give it a nice winged effect. And then I go through and blend with my mascara. I'm using a dark brown mascara to just give the eyes a nice pop of color without it being too dramatic. Next, I'm using this 90s lip kit from Glam, and oh my god, I could literally just wear the lip liner. I really like this color of lip liner, but of course I'm going to add a little pop of gloss. This lip combo kit from Glam comes with a dual-sided lip gloss, and I'm going to be using the clearish, like honey colored one. Now, what look is complete without accessories? Of course, I had to add some silver hoops and the cutest leopard print hat. Now, here's the final look for y'all, and I hope that you liked it. If you want to see more videos like this, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel.